What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just gonna do a little bit back testing session. I was here on this beautiful Sunday morning of May 14th, and I'm like, I'm back testing already. Why not just record the video while I'm back testing? So hopefully you can learn something from it. If you can't, well, my fault. But I'm gonna do a quick back testing session. Probably like, I don't know. Let's see how far we go to. But I'm gonna start from the month of April. So I'm gonna be back testing the month of April. You could see how I look at the market, see my strategy, XYZ. Also join my free Telegram group. I'm gonna drop the link in the chat. You could just join my free Telegram group. I go live every day. I go live not every day, but most days. From 8 to like 11 a.m. And yeah, that's literally my trading day. Some days I finish earlier. Every day I'm done before 11 though. Like, I'm not trading after 11. I'm done. Even if I'm holding a position, that's different, but it is what it is. But I'm about to go live, right? I'm about to go do some backtesting session right now, and I want y'all to join me. So, boom. What do we see right here? We see market has been trending. Market has been trending. Yeah, it's the same thing I've been doing for a while, right? This is continuously like my strategy. Market has been trending. We see, boom, pullback, another push to the higher, pullback that didn't break this low. Right here, we got another high that tried to break this high. Minor pullback and another push one more time to this area. So we could see that this area potentially wants to be breaking, because you see how much times it's coming to this area. In fact, it's already been broken. It's already been broken by the London session. So you can see that it topped over here, came back down, tried to break it again, pull back, and it's trying to break it one more time at that area. So I'm going to be probably looking for continuations above this area because it's strong and it's already been broken. So once it's been broken, I'm like, all right, cool. Maybe it's going to continue pushing. Let me look at the 15-minute. I want to see. So I do a full top-down analysis, but usually I just been like sitting on a 1 hour, 15-minute, and then try to enter on the 5-minute, because I still see the full picture on the 1 hour. So yeah, we see structure, and structure was been created above this area that it broke too. So I would say I would enter maybe above these highs. Like above these highs, I'd be like, yeah, that looks like a good entry for me. It's like a random area that I picked in the market. You could start from the beginning of the video. You'll see it was very random. So everything I'm doing, I don't know what's gonna happen already. This is me back testing with you live, so hopefully you learned something. So as I said, let's see. Yeah. Oh, you see that big bullish engulfing? I would try to get in before that big bullish engulfing. Like right here, stops below that last low. If I get stopped out, hey, I gave it my best chance, and I'm most likely going for a 1 to 2. 1 to 2, but this looks like it could be a big trade, but let's just do a 1 to 2 just to be safe. So my little strategy is at 1 to 1 I take half off. Really, the reason why I say that, because most times when I trade, I get the nice initial move out of the area and then it turns back around and stops me out, which usually be tragic. I don't like when it does it, but it does do it sometimes, and trying to develop skills in different ways that I could be able to like still catch a move and still be able to catch profit and not take total losses, etc., etc. So yeah. So let's see. Ooh, that must have been a news play. 8:30. That must have been the news. It almost wicked me out. Possibly could have wicked me out, depending on the broker and if the spreads opened up. Possibly could have took me out. But we're back testing right now. I can't really tell you the actual results of what would have happened. But that's crazy. That would have been different. Let's see. Yeah, this it hit TP, but this is a very tough trade. Very tough trade. Okay, TP. Let's see how far it went before it came back. Okay, after market, after 11 o'clock, it just started to take off. So potentially could probably get like a 3-to-1, but you know I take most of my profits off at a 2-to-1. So let's continue. Hopefully, as I said, hopefully you learned something from me. So the white boxes is the London session, the gray boxes is the New York session, and the dark gray box is like the end of the New York session, like 11 to like 4 p.m. And then that's when the market kind of gets dry. That like gray box is like when the market kind of gets dry. And I don't really want to be trading between those times anyway. But you'll see like the market moves through cycles. So for example, through London session, you might get one straight push. And then New York session in reverses. Like from that 8 o'clock to like the 11 o'clock, you might get a reversal pullback. And then from that 11 to like 4, you might just get another pullback. Like it goes through cycles of up and downs, but it's never just, I would say it's not usually a push in just one direction all day. Because anything that goes up must come down. Anything that goes down must come back up. And that's just how the market moves. So I have these boxes just to help me know what time of day it is. Because I'm back testing and I won't know exactly what time of day it is. My candles are all black because I don't care about how the candle color looks. I only care about structure. I don't give a fuck about candles, candle movements, all that. I care about candle movements. I don't care about the color. I just care about the structure behind the moves. So this is right here at 8 o'clock, right before market moves. And you can see, what do I notice? I see that London session had just made one continuous push up. So we had this continuous push all the way through, a pullback, a push again. So I'm probably going to look for a pullback, maybe look for a pullback. I don't know, maybe to like right here and then a pull up. But that's speculation. Let me take this off. And if you can see structure on the 15-minute, let me reset the charts. Structure on the 15 minutes, you can see that structure has been bullish. So where do I see like if a definite area that could be like, all right, if structure breaks right here, it's probably most likely going to drop. This is just a 15-minute like area that I'm deciding that if structure breaks, because you can see structure right here, boom, pushed up. So I'll probably be like right here. If it breaks like right here, or even like right here, that's definite right here. Because that's definite structure right there. But I would say even like right here, because you can see how much times it rejected this area right here before it dropped. So I'm going to drop down to the 5-minute. That's where I usually primarily get my entries on. And see like what happens during that beginning of that New York session at 8 o'clock. Starting to push. Ooh, you see that break right under? You see, so I'm going to draw it out for you. As I said, I want it to anybody who's watching this to learn a little something from what I'm doing. So this is all structure. As I said, I don't care about the candle color. It's just the structure. You see structure came up, broke, went back up, retested, broke, and it broke this initial area right here. So my entry, my first entry, or I think my best entry, I would say, probably would be right here. Stop loss above. This is tough. Yeah, I'll put it right here. That would be a hefty stop loss, but sometimes that's what you gotta do. You gotta make sure you give the trade enough chance to win. And you see these lows. Do you see how much times it came to this low? So this low right here is definitely like a big area of market indecision. Let me draw a box around this low. You see that low right there? Big area of market. So I'm not gonna probably put take profit right at that low, because that's not ideal all the time to put the take profit right at the low. So I'll probably put it like couple pips away, like you see, like couple pips. It's not a full 2-to-1, but if I get another entry, if it pulls back and I could get another entry up there, it might be like a 3 to 1, 4 to 1 type thing. So let's see. So for example, I'm already in the trade. Let's see. Oh, I'm about to get stopped out. You see rejections at this high right here. This is why I put it above this high. I put it right here because I knew it might come back to it and try to stop people out, because that's what it does. The market knows people look for breaking structure, and the market knows these things, so it's not dumb. So I probably put another entry right here as soon as it start breaking, like right here. But let's see if we even get that. And then how much I'll be trying to get. This one is like a freaking 5 to 1. Let's see. Nah, stopped out. Lord have mercy. Well, you seen it. I didn't know what was gonna happen. We got this double bottom right here. This structure break right here was a fake. Came back up, held. You can see right here, held, and then it took me out. It is what it is. As we say, we continue going. I don't know what's gonna happen, so I hope you don't think I know what's gonna happen. I don't. I'm just playing off my strategy, hoping that it will work. This is what I look for on a day-to-day basis. Let's see. Let's go again. Let's fast forward to the next New York session. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is right before market opens. Yeah, that's 7. That's right before market opens. Let me see how structure look like. Market has been pushing too. So if we draw out structure again, you could see. Let me fix these charts. Markets have been bullish, and it's been trending. So maybe I was just totally wrong about that, pullback yesterday. Obviously, I was totally wrong. Small push again, and then it's like right here. And then we have this push here again. So I'm possibly looking for a pullback now. Let's see. I'm gonna drop down to the 15-minute and see if I can identify better structure areas that I would be like, all right, I'll take it off this. You can see definite structure here, right here. You can see a pullback and left that structure right there. I would say right here is an area that it could drop like a tank off of this. I see this area right here, but it's already breaking it. Let me still draw it just to, identify the area. Let me drop to the 5-minute now. Let's see how the 5-minute. Yeah, you see it's better structure. It shows you better structure on the 5-minute. So we had this push. We had this push to here, drop down, push again, and it retested the break. Popped up, retesting right here. So this possibly could be a break of structure right here if it just continues going down. So am I interested? I am. I'm very interested, but we'll see. I'm gonna play the tapes. If it breaks, all right, yeah. You see how it popped back up? Let's see. If it breaks here again, I'm in. If it breaks here, I'm in. Potentially hefty stop loss, but I play a lot of defense, especially when it starts giving me a move. I move my stop loss pretty quickly. I don't like to take the full risk. Let's see. I didn't get entered in yet. Got entered in. All right, cool. We at the next? No, yep, we at the next zone. I'm putting my stop loss down. This is my next area now. I'm no longer taking that full risk on. I moved my stop loss now to this area of high, and I'm looking. All right, so we here now. I'm not gonna move my stops to break even yet. Maybe if I can get a break and a retest from here and then start to push down again, I'll move my stops to break even, and even may take some profits off if this was live. Obviously, this is not live, so I'm just back testing. Ooh, right there, that. Ooh, dang. It must have been some crazy news. What time is this? 9:30. Nah, that's just 9:30 volume. But that move right there would have caused me to put stops to break even. I'm not gonna even cap. So if it stops, if it turns around and turns around right now, I wouldn't be stopped out. Honestly, I wouldn't be stopped out because my stops is at break even. I'm not continuing to risk all of my profits. Ooh, let me put my lights on. I just noticed that it was probably dark in here. Yeah, ooh, where was my entry right here? No, my entry was right here. Yeah, stop loss is already at break even. I can't lose on this one. Can't lose. That pullback was too vicious. Too vicious. Yeah. See, it almost even came back and stopped me out again. Oh, you stopped down. So probably I let's see, from the initial entry, from the original entry, let's see if I even got a 2-to-1. I don't think I did. Why is this thing not working? What the hell? Okay, let's get rid of this. Start over. So my original entry was right here. Stop loss up here. So if I got a 2-to-1, nah, I got a 1-to-1. So I would have took some type of partial profits at the 1-to-1. I would have took like half off at the 1-to-1 and let that other half try to run to like full TP of 2-to-1, 3-to-1. So I would have got stopped down on this trade. But let's see the full results of this trade. Sheesh. Oh, yo, I hate days like this. Oh, I hate days like this. Oh my God. You don't know how much times that this has happened to me just this week. Just this week, this has happened to me a lot. It's crazy. Look at this. Bruh. This wick kind of got me nervous when it did that, and then it turned around. If I kept my stop loss probably here, I would have still been in. Potentially could have caught all of this move. But this is why I'm doing the back testing, so I continuously learn what I'm gonna look for in the market and how it would be executing it when I'm getting in the market, etc., etc. Hopefully, you can learn a little something too. This is for both of us, or both of whoever looking, to try to get a little piece of knowledge of whatever my mistakes are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 7 o'clock again, right before market open. And what do I see? What can I identify here? I could see structure. If you could, I don't know if y'all could see it, but I could see structure right here. Structure came back down here, up, and then came back here again. But really, I would probably put structure right at that base of the body, because this is just a wick. So I'm gonna put a line there just so I can indicate it for myself. With that line there too, it looks like a double bottom. I'm not gonna lie, it looks like a double bottom. It looks like it could possibly go long. Let's go down to the 15-minute look at structure. Ooh, you could see that. That was strong. That was a strong area of resistance. Support. Sorry. Strong area of support. Look at that. Boom, it came back down. That's a double bottom even on a 15-minute. Double bottom on 1 hour, double bottom on 15-minute. That's spicy, bro. So if it breaks here, definitely I'm freaking in. Definitely. But if it comes back down here, I'll probably get in at the break of this. Let's see. Yeah, it didn't tap me in yet. See, I would have been in here. Didn't tap me in yet. Came back down here. I'll get in at the break of this high. So let's just put my entry right there. Let's see. I can't place a stop loss yet because it just hasn't given me an area that it turned around yet. Oh, ooh, stop loss right here, my boy. Maybe right under here, because markets like to play a lot of games and come back around and stop you out for no reason. Well, it's the reason. They want to take your money, so that's the reason. Yeah, that's a nice push. That's a nice push. Off that one candle, we got a crazy movement. So I would have took like profits here and stops stops to break even. I would say stops to like right here. So after I took profit off that first one, stops to right here. I'm gonna leave it. Now stops has to be at break even. I'm not even. This is over. Like this trade has gone too far. Look at this. This is probably a 2-to-1 overall. Hell yeah, that's a 2-to-1 overall. Stops has to be a break even. And I probably would have cut this trade already, for being honest. Cut this trade already, took a win, walked away with my day, saluted the freaking market like, thank you, markets. I'm out here. That's how quick the trading day be sometimes. So this is 9:45 and I would have saluted. Hello, I'm out of here. So let's see how far this goes. See how far this John. Ooh. You see why you walk away? You see why you walk away? You see why you have to walk away? You have to walk away sometimes. You got to walk away, because the markets will turn around viciously and take that money right back from you. Whatever you thought you made, come and take this shit right back from you. Look at that. Look at that. What is it doing? What is it doing? It's starting to play around. See, I don't really. That's why I don't trade after 11. You can see after 11, it starts to play. I don't got time for it. Yeah, started to play around. So it is what it is. We live to trade another day. That's a W, by the way. That's a W. So we got 1L, W. So 1, 2. So let's just keep track of it right now, because since I'm back testing live with y'all, I might as well keep track of it. Where would I put it? I'd probably put it like down here. No, let's get the text box. Let's get the text box. Let's see how much W's and how much wins and whatever break evens I got so far. Hopefully somebody can learn from this for real. Hopefully. That would be great. Is there a better way of doing this? I think this is tedious. Is there a better way of doing this? I don't know. I've never really done this before, so bear with me. Never really done this before. It doesn't look like there's a better way to do this. So we're just gonna keep going. So we'll say text box is right here. We'll say W's right here. L's, and then put another one for BE. I count BEs like I would take a break even over a loss any day. Like you come back and stop me break even, fuck it. Like the market come back and stop me break even, I take that before I take a full loss any day. I love break evens more than losses anyway. So break evens are like a W for me. Like it's a risk-free trade. Who doesn't like a risk-free trade? So we got, how much W's do we have so far? We have 1 W, 1 L. It's like a W right here. I'll call it that as W, but I got stopped at break even. So 1 W, 1 L, 1 break even. So 2 W's. So we got 2 W's right now. 2 dubs. 2 dubs. L's. How much L's we got? We got 1 L. One L and 1 break even so far. One break even, which was still a W. But anyway, let's continue. We're gonna do a whole month of April, and then I'm gonna hop off this John to continue the rest of my day. I may go to gym, workout, and I have church later on. I'm glad I go to church. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is right before market opens. Okay. So you can see structure is also starting to follow this trade again. Structure, we had a push, pull down, another push up, which is also right here at the double top. It didn't break the highs. Could be another reversal. Let's see. It did break the highs. It did. But the highs is really right here, but it's there. It's right there. So let's see. Let's look at the 5-minute for an area. I would definitely get in, which should be right here. If it comes back and stop me out, right here would definitely be where I get in. Stop losses above the highs. So let's look at the 15-minute. Can we see more structure right here? That's weak though. I wouldn't take that. You got here, probably right here. Let's see. That's more like a weak area to get in, and this is more like the strong area to get in. Do I want to get in? I'll get in now. After that big bear bullish engulfing, I'll get in. Probably get in right there. I like how it started to break. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Talk to me nice. Please. Talk to me nicely. Look at that. We got that push. So, as I said, if I get a push outside of the zone, I am not playing around with I'm protecting my profits. I'm protecting my capital as much as I can. I'm playing defense. Although I'm playing offense, I'm playing defense too. I cannot forget to play defense with my capital. I'm not, if the market comes back above this, like above this area, I don't want to be in the trade anymore. Yeah, come stop me out. Okay, so we got to push lower. That's great. That's great. I would have took profits right here. So this would be my first TP1. TP1 would be right here. Let's see where TP2 would probably. Ooh, you see down these lows right here? This is where the market reverse. So I'll probably put like a couple pips above it. That's my TP2. Oh, why did I get rid of the box? Let's see, I'll enter right here. Right now my stop loss is right there, break even, like right there, almost at break even. And by the time this like starting to push, I'm telling you, I'll probably put it at break even. I like to protect my profits. So I would have took like some profits here. Stops at break even. I can't lose. Look at this massive trade. Oh my God, TP2 is about to be hit. TP2 is about to be hit. Wait, where was TP2? Where the fuck? I totally forgot where I had to. I think TP2 was like right here before it moved. Another winning trade. I would have saluted the market and walked the hell away. Another TP hit. This could have been a home run trade. I wouldn't probably have hold it. Sometimes I don't like holding trades. This would have been a home run. Yeah, it is what it is. Some days it happens. Some days the home runs happen and you miss out the home runs. But it's better just to get your profits and walk away than thinking you're going to get a home run every freaking day and then, really getting stopped out. So now we got 3 wins. Now we're going to put back on the leaderboards right here. We got 3 dubs back on the leaderboards. Right now I'm sitting at 3 dubs and 1 L, 1 break even. 3 dubs. Let's go. So we're at April 6th right now. So that's with 6 days of trading. Is that 6 days of trading? Oh yeah, I forgot the weekend. I forgot that part. So let's just keep fast forwarding. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Gonna do a whole month of April. I only trade New York time zone anyway. So, all right. So we're back to New York. What I did notice was, as I said before, this was the double top right here. I seen that this area could definitely fall from here because it didn't break these highs. Definitely could fall. It came down here, double bottom, came back up here. So it's kind of like ranging right now. So it hasn't really picked a side. Now we're here. What I did notice is London session, it just kept going higher. So high possibility we get shorts. High possibility. So where would I look for initial shorts? I could see structure right here. You see structure right? Structure right there, structure breaks. I mean, that's just how I am. You could call it risky. I don't think it's much risky. I don't think it's very risky. So I'm going to put it right here. Structure breaks right here. I mean, I'm not even, I'm going to mess around. Because this is the initial move. Like, this is like the very first move. I'm probably going to give my stop loss like some breathing room, like some real breathing room. So I see these highs over here. Put them above this high. Give it a nice breathing room and targets down here. So like my first TP would be like right here. I'll put first TP right there. So I'm gonna put lines there for the first TP. This TP1. TP2. Let's go. Let's see. Let's run the clips. Ooh, you see that? This is live, bro. I'm doing this in front of y'all. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know what's gonna happen. And if you ever backtested before, you can attest to that. You don't know what the fuck is gonna happen. So boom, first TP, I'm taking profits, taking some parts of the profits, like putting stops to like right here. It comes above this candle, get me the hell out of this trade. Let's see. Oh, it looks like it's getting closer and closer. Ooh! God damn, what the hell was this? For 8:30 news, this has to be like something big, like a CPI. Who speaks at 8:30? I don't really think anybody really speaks at 8:30. This has to be a data release. Probably a CPI. Unemployment don't do this type of crazy move, so probably a CPI. I did get profits for the day. I did walk away. Maybe I've talked a small loss, but from the profits that I took, this loss would have been insignificant. I'm good. So yeah, let's keep going. Let's roll the clips. What day was it? Why did the day end so early? This must have been a holiday. I don't know. I don't know what's happening on these days. I don't know the news that's gonna come out. So think like if I'm actually trading this on a real day, I am taking into consideration the news that's gonna happen. But I also know news is not. Don't let news scare you from taking the trade, because news usually brings price to your trade, right? So either brings it to your profits or whatever your case is, or bring it to the entry. Don't be scared of taking trades because news is gonna happen. Just know that news is gonna happen. So you could be very wrong very fast. But as you see, this was a dub. But I will count it as a break even because I took a W on one position and the other position got stopped out. So I'll call it a break even, although I walked away with a dub. So I would say 2 break evens right now. 2 break evens. 2 break evens, 1 L, 3 dubs. Let's keep going. Let's fix this screen. All right, so you can see again, I'm just keep marking up structure throughout the whole thing, just so you hopefully you can follow along with the structure. So we had this next push, right? So this next push shows us we're probably back in the bullish market because it escaped this consolidation. And this is what you want to do when you're trading. You want to like understand the story of the market, because the market is telling you a story through the structure of the market. It's telling you a story. It's telling you what's gonna happen. 2, 3, 4. What's this? 7? Yep. This is right before market opens, And what do we see? We could see like this push right here during London session, like it was trading up. It was trading up, 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 then a big drop. Why did that happen? I don't know why did that happen, but that signifies that all of London session is getting wiped out already. So we probably could see continuations to the downside, because the London session is already like they already killed whatever happened in London session. So I'm not gonna look for now a reversal in New York session. I'm probably gonna look for the continuation, because it already killed the momentum of the London session. In one candle killed a whole of the momentum. So I'm gonna be like looking for now continuation. So where can I look for a continuation from? There's no real structure, if I'm being honest. Like we have structure right here, but that ain't nothing. That's like from a whole other day. So I would say let's look on a 5 minute. Maybe I could see something more clearer. I would say I'll just take it out the breakout. The breakout of these lows right here, I'm looking for the continuation, because you could see that monster candle that took all of London gains away is probably going to continue going to New York session. That's just what I've learned from my experience in the market, even from just like always back testing. Like you'll start to pick up stuff just by always back testing. Make sure you always back test. Keep yourself sharp. Keep yourself in the market. Keep yourself knowing, like seeing market trends and things that can happen within the market cycles. Like just keep sharp. So I'm gonna be honest, I'm probably gonna take this as soon as it starts to break. My stop loss has to be wide enough though, so I probably give like that would be my stop loss. Like I can't give it no more space than that. My first TP1 would be like here. TP1. This is my TP1. TP1. Let's see where TP2 would be. I would want to see it 1 to 2, but we'll see. So TP2 would be like right here. I might not get a TP2, so I might take the 1 to 1 today or this day, whatever. But we'll see. Whoa, 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 whoa. Damn. I didn't mean to go that fast, yo. Sorry. Pressed the wrong button and it just jumped. As you can see, both TPs were hit. Cool. I didn't really get to show you how it would play through the emotions, but all TPs were hit. This was fast. Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay. On to the next day. On to the next day. That's crazy. That's another home run, though. This is another home run. So I'm walking away with 3 dubs right now. 3. We got 3 dubs. 4 dubs. 4 dubs. 4 dubs. And let's see. By the way, my actual results for last month was shitty. So me doing this is like helping me. It's like, so I could see like I could have really had a successful month if I didn't really like, you know, I know sometimes emotions get the best of you. I'm gonna be honest with you, and that's always gonna be a factor in trading. Wow. Wow, look at that. Wow. It dropped that far just to reverse again. Wow. Wow. 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, you see that? Ooh. All right, so as again, I'm showing y'all structure. Just keep following the structure. Keep following. You see how it came down here, but it didn't break here. So it had another double bottom right here. It popped up and broke these highs. Now we having this pullback right here. We had this pullback. We're having this nice pullback. Let's see what this pullback is about. Just looking at it, I can look for continuations here. But it's pretty tricky because when the market goes up and down like this, it might be the same thing as yesterday, just continuations on the shorts. Let's play the continuation on the shorts. As I said, I don't see any structure on the 15 minute. Might be the same thing as the day before. Yeah, might have to just play like that. One thing I do notice, this breakout is going to be very fast. If I do get in right here, breakout, it's going to be easy. First candle is probably going to start breaking. So let's see. My entry is right below this. I'm getting in right before this. Stop loss. I'll be right there. If I take the loss, it is what it is. We'll get back in when we see whatever the market has to happen. But I like that. I see that all of London session got demolished quickly. So let's see. If it comes back above here, possible buys. If it goes down below here, I'm already in. But we'll see. So first TP1 right here. See TP2. I'm gonna make sure I slow down the clips this time so I'm not just rushing through it. Show you how I would emotionally react to the TPs. TP2. All right, let's roll the clips. It didn't tap me in. If you notice, it didn't tap me in. It is not a L. It didn't tap me in. Didn't tap me in. Ooh, you know what I noticed? It came back up and made another structure right here. So my structure right here, my entry right here would be right here. Because I noticed that market came up right here. It came up. That's the structure. You just can't. Your eyes have to get used to and adjusted to how structure actually looks like. But that structure. On the smaller time frame, you can see that structure right here. Boom, that touchback came back. If it breaks here, I'm in. I'm in that motherfucker heavy. So let's see. Maybe TP1 is right here now. So my TP1 would be right here. TP2 right here. Wow. They didn't tap me in again. Okay. What I did notice is that these are highs right here. I didn't expect it to continue to start making some trends upward. I was expecting a continuation for the shorts. It might be long. I might be entering a long as soon as it breaks there, but we'll see. That looks weak. Very weak to even close above it. But we're still going to take it. I'll take off these shorts. I'll put it on the long position. As I said, I don't never marry a bias. Don't never marry a side. Trade what the market shows me. But I trade according to how I trade. Stop loss below above these highs. I see these highs right here. Right here. That's breaking structure. Let's see. Ooh. Check my muscles. I'm not playing. I showed you. I don't marry a side. I don't marry a bias. I trade what the market shows me. I don't marry nothing. I don't say this has to do this. It doesn't have to do a damn thing. It doesn't have to do nothing. It just has to do what it wants to do. And do whatever it wants to do. As you can see, stop loss. I would have took profit partials here. That would be my first TP1. I'm moving like stops to here. I'll pull stops here because this was where first break came back, retested, and took off again. Stops right there. So even it come back. The small break even plus the win I took, I would still been up for the day. Yeah. Okay. See, stop me out. Okay. Cool. So let's put that in the books. Another break even trade. It is what it is. Sorry for y'all. It's freaking Sunday at 9 o'clock in the morning. Got up and tried to start doing some back testing session. How much days we got left? This is the 11th day. Oh my God. Tragic. Wow, and it still went crazy. Like, wow, look at that. Just came back, stopped me out, and still went crazy. Like, the market is always gonna play like this. I'm telling you, the market is always gonna play. You just gotta play defense. Make sure you playing defense. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. That's what they're gonna tell you to do in boxing. Always keep your hands up. Yes, you're gonna throw punches. That's how you're gonna win. But you gotta play defense so you don't get knocked out. You don't want to be knocked out. You could take a couple hits, but you don't want to be knocked out. So you gotta play defense. It's you playing offense, but you gotta play defense. So I'm playing defense with my cash. I always play defense with my cash. I don't like to take full losses, although full losses are part of the game. Sometimes you're gonna get a full fucking loss. Like I took one full loss, but I took 3 break evens, and even with those 3 break evens, I still made some type of profits for the day. Still walked away probably, I don't know, 0.25%. I don't know. That's probably $250 or who knows? I don't know. Still walked away with profits. Play defense. You hear me? Play defense. You're playing offense by placing the trade and getting in, but you gotta play defense too. You gotta know when to play defense. Like where you're gonna move your stops to when you play defense. Don't let the market come back and take you all the way out. It hurts. I'm telling you, it hurts more than just taking a break even. If I ask any profitable trader, what hurts more? Taking a break even trade or getting stopped out? What hurts more? They're going to always, or most of them are going to say, taking a break even is way better than taking a full loss. Way better. Because break even is like, it's a break, it's even, it's what it is. You didn't lose anything, you didn't make anything, and if you did make something, it's a small amount of money. You know? Better than taking a full freaking loss. A 1%, 2%, 3%, whatever. My mouth is dry. Let me get some water, y'all. But yeah, let's fast forward to the next day. I might have another 10 minutes in me, then I gotta cut. I gotta go to the gym. So we'll see. 3, 4, 5. Ooh, what do we see again? So I'm gonna continue drawing structure, so y'all can see what's going on. You feel me? I need y'all to see what's going on, because the market is showing you the story in front of your face. You just have to be paying attention. You see the structure pushed above these highs, came back, and guess where it's at right now? At these highs. At these highs again, but it didn't break it. So it's a strong chance we might get reversals. Strong chance we might get reversals. You guys got to pay attention to the structure. Structure is the most important part. Got to pay attention. So we see right here, we at these highs again. And what happened during London session? Straight push. When markets straight push during London session and push to like a zone that I'm like, sweet spot, looks nice. That's where I'm like, ooh, we could get reversals. That's where I'm looking right now. We possibly get reversals, my guy. Possibly get reversals. So on the 15-minute, I'm taking it as soon as it break right there. I don't care. But we'll see. We'll see what the market does. As I said, I mean, I told y'all already. I would have been in as soon as it break there. I'm in. Stop loss above these highs. Not going to take on too much risk on this play. TP1 right here. TP2 probably down here. Yeah, I see those lows right here, and I just want to catch those lows. Let's see. Yeah, that's even more than a 2-to-1. All right, let's see. I did get the TP1 though. I did get the TP1, so I would have took half off here. Stop loss probably would have been like right here. Yeah, if it got right there, taking a trade. So another break-even trade. Although I made a little bit of profits, you got to play defense. Put your hands up. Play defense. Make sure you're playing defense, because the market is vicious, especially US30. This is what I'm backtesting. US30 is vicious. So you just want to make sure you're playing defense. So right now I only have one definitive L. The rest is break evens or wins. I would still be up right now for the month. Still been up. Probably would have even passed the challenge, or, you know, whatever. Could even get a freaking payout. Like, playing defense is important. Got to play defense. Put your hands up and play defense. Got to, have to, must. You can see, you see this shit shot up. I didn't expect that. But we did get a nice small pullback to the 1-to-1. Wow. As I said, sometimes it happens and it's not exactly what we wanted to do. So I gotta move my my little drawing to like right here. As I showed y'all, play defense. It's important. So we seen this push above here again, and then we got a break down below, push up again, break even lower, push up again, break even lower. So we possibly could look for continuations here. High probability we can see markets continue to drop from here. Let's see what the 15-minute look like so we can get a more clear understanding of structure. So, as I said, I don't marry anything. I don't marry a bias. I don't marry anything. I trade what the market shows me. If the market wants to go back up, it's going to go back up. So, we got an area. This is like an area that I'll be like, if the market goes past here, for sure, nah, I'm getting in. I'm getting in for buys. But here's possibility, just depends on how the candle breaks out. We have structure down here. Let's see. Let's play the Kips. No, that's we gotta jump to the 15-minute, the 5-minute. Okay. Possibly continuations. Let's see. Nah, with that news candle, I'm not. If I didn't get in before that news candle, that's an 8:30 candle, right? Yep, 8:30 candle. If I didn't get in before then, it is. I'm gonna take off my trade before the news hit. I don't want to be right there when news hit and then it start whipsawing. That's not what I want to do. But we see off this break with the close of the candle. All right, let's see what the next one does. Yeah, I'll probably get in for the buys as soon as it breaks right here. But stop loss would be so freaking wide. Probably wouldn't even take this trade at all. Let's see. I'm not going to take this trade at all. Yeah, I probably wouldn't take this trade at all because the stop loss would be too wide. Yeah, you see? Stop loss was too wide. It's just a high probability I was going to get stopped out anyway. No trading day for this day. It is what it is. Yeah, I'm good. This day was crazy. I'm good on this day. Stop losses that are too wide, it's going to be hard to even get a 1-to-1 because if your stop loss is 100 pips, 200 pips, that's like what I look for on a day, 100, 200 pips for a whole trade. Like if I look for that just for a stop loss, my 1-to-1 is a full trade, and then that don't make no sense to me. So yeah, took that trade off. It is what it is. So again, still follow structure. We see structure came back, pulled up here, pushed up again. all of London session we had straight push. What I'm looking for now, reversals. You can't really see any structure here on the 15-minute, like probably all the way down here. So we look on the 5-minute for maybe more structure. And even on the 5-minute, I can't really see nothing. It's tough. I'll just have to play the clips and play by ear. Ooh, yeah. You see this right here? When it pulled up, this would have become structure for me. That's where I would look for shorts. So I'm putting shorts right here. But is that a news candle? Yeah, so I would get in after the news candle hit. That's a news candle. I'll get in probably like right here. Stop loss above the news candle. And it has so much room to the downside that this is a trade that I'll be like, I can put money behind. You understand? So let's see. Yep. It's starting to move from that area. I probably, as I said, I'm playing defense. I'm always playing defense. So I'm probably putting at the body right above these highs. I'm playing defense all the time. Playing defense. Ooh. With that push down. What was that even? I didn't even mark off my 1-to-1s. Let me mark it off so I can see. What would be my 1-to-1? Yeah, my 1-to-1 would be like right here. So I can't necessarily yet take off any profits, but I can move my stop loss because I want to play defense. Playing defense. I'm a hard body on defense. So I'm probably like right here. I'm hard body on defense. Yeah, I got stopped out. Took an L. So my second L. Small L, but still a L. But yeah, that's my last one. Walked away with an L. So we got 4 W's, 2 L's, and 4 break-evens. So with I only need like 1 W, and I surpassed those 2 L's. And then the 4 break-evens still equated to some type of profit. And then the other 3 W's made profits. So I'm going to stop right here. If you were watching, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Like and subscribe down below. Join the Telegram. It's in the chat box to this live stream. But I'm out of here. Peace.